In the process of butter production, have you encountered the problems of time-consuming and laborious manual packing, low efficiency, large filling error, waste of raw materials, complicated packing process, etc.? Now, an efficient, precise, and intelligent packaging solution is here. Mittiway automatic butter case, packing and filling machine helps you to say goodbye to inefficient manual packing and realize production automation. First is the automatic carton erector process. Our fully automated carton erector operates at high speeds to quickly unroll each flat carton into a standardized box, providing a stable and reliable foundation for the subsequent packaging process. To ensure the hygiene and safety of the butter and the quality of the product, each carton is automatically inserted with a food-grade liner bag to effectively prevent contamination and safeguard the freshness of the butter during storage and transportation. Next is the core part of butter filling, the feeding part. Our intelligent filling system can accurately control the filling amount of butter in different sizes of 10 kilograms, 15 kilograms, and 25 kilograms to avoid over or underfilling. High-precision sensors ensure that each case of butter reaches the optimal weight, reducing waste and increasing productivity. After the butter filling is completed, the system will automatically complete the sealing of the inner bag and then the carton sealing to realize double sealing protection. This not only prevents leakage, but also improves the stability of the package, ensuring that the product is safe and secure during storage and transportation. From unpacking to palletizing, the whole process is automated to ensure that every case of butter reaches your customers safely and efficiently. Mittiway's fully automated butter case packing line is a one-stop solution to your packaging challenges. Make your butter packaging more efficient, more accurate, and more intelligent. Mittiway helps you to upgrade your production automation. Welcome to contact us to open a new era of intelligent packaging.